This video will show an easy way to do a screen clipping on a PC computer screen. One of the easiest ways to do it is to use the snipping tool. We'll use an example. For example, let's say we want to send this calendar or schedule out to all these people. We want to do it in an easy, concise way. We can use the snipping tool. So go down to your search bar on the left-hand side of your screen and type in snip. Then click on the snipping tool desktop app. This will open this screen. You can click on new. There's different modes you can use or different delay times. Have fun figuring that out. You can push new, and that'll set it up so you can draw a box from corner to corner. So from there, draw the box of where you want it to be, and I'll come up with this. This will save it to your clipboard. You then can copy and paste it into any document that you want to use.